Today on my 81 Chevy C20 build, I got the passenger right side door off and got the seat taken out and the two outer seat belts. Have a rod that I welded across the door jamb area to help support that for when I remove the rocker panel, which is prepped by grinding the paint off and finding the spot welds and center punching them and drilling them with an 1/8 inch drill bit to help center the spot weld cutter. I have the cab corner cut off already. So you can see the inner cab corner is rusty. I might be able to patch that in or order a new piece to use to fix the lower part of it, but see, fairly solid. Other than that, that's all I have for now. Tomorrow I plan on removing the rocker panel, so I'll see you then. Thanks.